we could.
Oh, you turned your hat off.
I want to use this as the...
Put your head, turn this way a little bit. Put your head down.
Bring this back one!
Down. I just want you to look down a little bit so I get the hat. Cool. I got it.
No, you put Murray.
Now am I going to walk you behind me? I'm really not reading that hard.
I know.
Yeah, look, it's broke. I know. Fireworks just aren't the same when it's daylight out.
If you want to look, I guess.
Going in the garbage when we get don't touch your fingers. See if maybe if it's from the outside, because I'm going to throw it away. Throw it away.